I am Sivakumar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Welcome to the channel Siva Mathematics. Today, we are going to discuss one example for functions of two variables where this function is having discontinuity of second kind or jump discontinuity. We try to evaluate the limit for this function at origin. As we have discussed, in the method of obtaining limit for functions of two variables, if we are evaluating limit at origin, we have to evaluate limit along every path as x comma y approaches 0, 0. Means we have to evaluate limit along path 1 and path 2 along y equal to mx square and so on mx for n. Similarly, x equal to my, x equals to my square and so on, x equal to my power n. If we obtain a different limit value, we can stop the procedure and we can say limit does not exist. Means the function is having jump discontinuity. Coming to this function, we write limit x comma y tends to 0, 0, f of x comma y. X comma y tends to 0, 0 means x comma y is different from 0, 0. Therefore, we have to take its definition as x square y by x power 4 plus y square in place of f of x comma y. Limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. Write its definition as x square y by x power 4 plus y square. Along path 1, if we evaluate the limits, path 1 means first we have to consider y tends to 0, x tends to 0. Limit y tends to 0, x tends to 0, x square y by x power 4 plus y square. If we substitute first y tends to 0, writing limit x tends to 0 as it is and taking limit y tends to 0 for this function, it's a rational function so that we can directly substitute y as 0. X square 0 by x power 4 plus 0 square. Limit x tends to 0. 0 by x power 4. X tends to 0 means x is different from 0. Don't consider this is like a indeterminate form. We are clearly having x tends to 0 means x is not 0. Therefore, 0 by a non-zero is going to be 0 here, that is equals to limit x tends to 0, 0, that is equals to 0. So, along path 1, we obtain the limit value is 0. Along path 2, to find the limit, first we consider x tends to 0, next we consider y tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, x square y by x power 4 plus y square. First, if we substitute x tends to 0, because we are substituting, it is a rational function. Numerator is a continuous function, denominator is a continuous function. So that limit means we can substitute here y tends to 0. So 0 if I write here 0 square into y by 0 power 4 plus y square. That is limit y tends to 0. Here we got 0 by y square. It is clear that y tends to 0 means y is not 0. A non-zero term we have in denominator, 0 we have in numerator. So we can write this term is 0. That is equals to 0. Here along path 1, path 2 we got same limit. Because we are evaluating limit at origin, along remaining paths also we have to verify the limits. Along the path y equal to mx, limit y tends to mx, x tends to 0, x square y by x power 4 plus y square. So first we write limit y tends to mx, x tends to 0 for this function. We write x tends to 0 as it is and we substitute y tends to mx here, x square into mx by x power 4 mx whole square. So limit x tends to 0, we simplify this, x cube we get in the numerator. In the denominator, we have x power 4 plus m square x square. Limit x tends to 0, mx cube by x square. If we take common in the denominator, we get x square plus m squared. Limit x tends to 0, mx by x square plus m square. So, if you consider the limit here, x tends to 0, numerator we are going to obtain m into 0 by 0 square plus m square, which means that 0 by m square. So, that is 0. M cannot be necessarily a 0 along y equal to x or y equal to 2x like that. Here we are going to get the different values and we are getting the limit is 0. Therefore, along y equal to mx also we obtain the same limit value, that is 0. Along path 1, path 2 also we got 0. Now we find the limit along y equal to mx square for this function as x comma y approaches 0 comma 0. Limit extends to 0, we write as it is and we apply this limit for this function x square mx squared by x power 4 plus, in place of y we write mx square whole squared. So limit x tends to 0, m into x power 4 by x power 4 if we take common, we obtain 1 plus m square. Here also we have x power 4. So this x power 4 will get cancelled. We got this value is m by 1 plus m square. We got term here independent of x. So x tends to 0 means we will be obtaining the same value m by 1 plus m square because it's not involving any x term. Along different values of m if you take, you are getting different values here. M equal to 1 if you take, you will get 1 by 1 plus 1 square 1 by 2. M equal to 2 if we take, along y equal to 2x square if you find the limit, 2 by 1 plus 2 square 2 by 5. Different values we are going to get here. Anyhow, we obtain the limit along path 1, path 2 and y equal to mx as 0. And here the limit we got a different value, which means that limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 for this function x square y by x power 4 plus y square does not exist. Limit does not exist, then function is said to be discontinuous and it is called discontinuity of second kind or jump discontinuity. If you like the video, share the video to your friends and tap on the bell icon for getting more updates. Thank you.